guys, today for our 4th of July special, we're going to 3D print our US flag. So let's go to Google and type 3D free print designs. As you can see, there are different options. So let's check this all3dp.com. There is a list of different sites and give you the stars, the ranking. Some are open source, some are paid. So we're gonna choose Thingiverse because I have 5 stars. Here is Thingiverse. There's where people post their ideas. So let's type US flag. As you can see, there are different options of the US flag. And let's see which ones we're gonna choose. We're gonna choose this one with 110 likes. It's a pretty decent size and it's very easy to print. Let's give a credit to the designer, Real 3D Designs. Then one thing I had to point out, the files have to be downloaded and they're zipped. So we have to unzip it to be able to open it. However, you cannot print this one directly. You will have to have a slicer. A slicer is a website or as a program, sorry, that kind of change the type of file, so you can actually 3D print. So if the file come STL is like if you're thinking about Word document, will be that doc, there's a document, so it's a PowerPoint, and a PPT. So these ones, this type of design are STL files, and they will be saved depends of which 3D printer you have. So now this is our slicer. I was mentioning the Dremel Digital Lab 3D slicer. This is a specific one to the Dremel. So I will open up the downloaded file from Thingiverse, from open file. This is not my design, so I cannot take credit for something I didn't do. US flag of the United States opens up. So as you can see, here is our flag, but it shows 0 minutes. It takes 0 minutes and 0 grams, so we must click here and prepare. So prepare basically tells you how long it would take me to print, and the mass of the printing, it says 29 grams and 5 hours and 50 minutes. It's kind of long with the size that I have, so I can modify this file to scale it to about 65%. You enter, and then by default the XYZ, if coordinate will be 65. You can change it, so you want to put like 80%, so you can modify things like that. But we want 65. But if you look at here, still 5 hours and 50 minutes. We must prepare again to get the new timing and the new mass for this flag, 8 grams and 1 hour and 32 minutes. So already preset depends of your 3D printer. This is already shows Dremel PLA. High quality. You can modify this to not have a custom or for the recommended. So you save the file. So it gives the option to save it. I already, you have a USB. We save it to the USB. And automatically we have the G code. So if you have enough save, G code is the way to save it. As you see, G code file .g code. So you can save as a STL as an object or 3MF, but G code is the one for Dremel. You can. Now we eject the USB and put it in the 3D printer.
This is the 3D 40, the Dremel printer, which costs about $700. There's a newer version, in which is about $1,000, in which have more features and a camera built in. Pretty nice. But if you just have this 3D printer or a cheaper one, Prusa, or any other one that's about $300, you're like wondering, I want to buy it, but I'm not sure if it's so complicated, I'm not able to use it. So this one over here, a few things, it comes with built-in, some already examples. These are the examples that come built-in, so you don't even have to know, you just kind of follow the print. So if you want to build, it builds and give you some options, and it's already come from with the 3D printer. However, because today is 4th of July, so we want to print a flag just because of today. And as I was mentioning, you don't have to be an expert or designer. You don't have to be an expert in SolidWorks or AutoCAD or any other CAD 3D. You can just check in the internet as we were checking it out, and you can find any designs over there and then download it as we were saying. So now we download it. It here. Okay. Hey guys, I am Gabriela.
And I'm Lily.
We are here in EcoRobotik celebrating our 4th of July with our social distance.
And with our masks, of course.
Okay. We decided to do for our celebration print the US flag. As you can see, this is the result of the 3D print. It wasn't as we expected because we say it was 65%. So it was too thin, so we actually have to print the 100% to get the full details on the back of this.
Well,
and then we can hear the fireworks. We're enjoying.
Do you guys hear it? Those are so close. Our neighbors are just going crazy.
Okay,
so you guys celebrate and have fun.
And then I hope come here and check it out, more videos of EcoRobotik. And please subscribe here on the bottom and follow on our social media.